I view them as the type of people that are trying to ban tobacco products and simultaneously legalize marijuana. So, I mean, I agree with them on that. I agree marijuana should be legal, but I do not agree that we should make tobacco illegal. It's like we're making the same mistakes over and over and over again with this prohibition bullshit.
Shit. Damn it.
What happened?
That was an accident. Dropped my gun. I dropped it. I don't know. Not me. Sorry. Well, thank God nobody was hurt. Shit. Damn it. Can we talk? Sorry about that.
That's fine.
Sorry. Nothing.
It adds entertainment.
Well, my lights are gone. What? Well,
your lights went out?
yep. What? Yeah. Sorry. I won't. Shit. Can I call you back later?
Well, you know, we're in live casting, so do you want to stop the stream? Oh, he left. Well, anyway, if you've made it this far, like, share, subscribe, hit the bell button on any channel you're subscribed to. With that, out.